committed to work out a curriculum on sex education, which is more life-giving, so that we influence young people, on their view on sex education. Secondly, as Christians, we realize that even among Christians, gender-based violence is quite rampant. And part of it is the way we interpret scripture. And we as women bishops, we are committed to translating scripture in a way that will be quite empowering to the young people, because I want to make sure that that which brings life, that which enables life, that which makes God's people to thrive, it is addressed. And it's not only limited to politicians, business, NGOs, and other civic societies, where we feel that that which is of God is not taken care of. We need to be able to speak up without fear or any kind of chance of favoring others.
Campaign, and not just campaigning, intentionally taking initiative, because we realize that we have been talking, and in all the circles we are talking about gender-based violence, the triple threats, but nothing seems to be happening. So we have to take intentional action beyond campaign. The triple threat of gender-based violence, teenage pregnancies, and HIV/AIDS. For far too long, the voice of the church has been silent on gender inequalities that have been worsened by endemic cases of gender-based violence.
Atumia